Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. Today, we're going to show you how to do a routine spark plug change on your N55 F30 335. In today's video, we are gearing this towards a very stock car. We are not going towards tuned applications. We're going to have that in a future video. So today, we're going to show you how to install the Bosch plugs that are recommended by BMW. And big thanks to FCP Euro for helping sponsor this video by sending us these plugs. So we're going to have all of the part information in the description below, but these are the plugs from Bosch that we're going to be running in our car. And as you can see, these are supposed to be gapped at 0.032 inches. Now these are typically pretty good, but what you want to do is you want to get one of these little thickness gauges and you want to just double check that prior to installing. Once you verify that they are all properly gapped, you can start with the installation. Now typically I would recommend that you do this about every 50,000 miles if you are bone stock. If you are running maybe a stage 1 or a stage 2 tune, you're probably going to blow through these a little bit faster, so just keep that in mind as you're doing your own maintenance. Alright, step 1, pull up on your motor cover. We're just going to set this out of the way. Then you're going to take a 10 millimeter. You're going to twist these plastic nuts 90 degrees. You're going to pull up on this little loop, pull that off just like that, set this to the side. Then you're going to do that exact same thing on the other side, just like that. All right, with the motor cover off, you can see we have 4 cylinders exposed. There's one under these O2 sensors, and there's one right here. So the problem is going to be this guy. So what we're going to need to do is we need to remove this, which you can see there's a couple 10 millimeters, but to do that, you need to remove this bar as well. Now that is live power right there, so disconnect your battery, put some tape on it, or just throw a glove on, because when you're releasing this bolt right here, you don't want to touch and spark. So grab your E18 and remove this bolt right here. And there's our first bolt. Now, some people like to replace these, but I'm going to be reusing them today. Now the other end of this bar right here is under this piece of rubber. So I'm just gonna pull this out. And then if you reach your hand underneath, you can pop these out. Just don't pop them too far and lose them. So there's one, and there's the other. And these are just a piece of thin plastic. All right, so then you can get your wrench in here. And you can release that. And then while you're here, you can take this one off too. They're pretty tight. Okay, I can just take this. I'm just going to set it over here for now. Then we'll do the same thing over here. Release that. We'll set this to the side. Then we're able to see 4 10 millimeters. So at this time we can remove these. Then we can remove these over here. Then what you can do, you get this piece, you just slide it out of the way. Now at this point we have excellent visibility. We just need to remove our O2 sensor, so just lift it up like that, just rock it to the side, and there's a T30 down here. So once we remove this T30, we're going to have all the space we need. There we have it. Now this part's optional, but what I like to do is get some compressed air. Just spray it all in here and get any loose dirt out. Let's start from the back, work our way to the front. We'll remove these ignition coils. So there's this little lever, so these kind of lock in place. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to just lift up like this, and as you do so, this plug's going to disconnect. So once you get it far enough out, this plug should literally just fall right out. So we're just going to take that, we're going to set it to the side. Then what I like to do is take a socket extension, put it through the hole here, and then just lift up, just like that. So once again, what's going to be happening is you're going to lift this up, it's going to pop out the connection, then you get an extension, just put it through there. It's going to give you a really nice handle to pull up on. You can do it by just putting your finger in here, but the plastic can be a little bit sharp, and this is a much easier way to do it. Once you've done that, we can carefully lower our spark plug socket into place and press it onto the spark plug. And very carefully, very slowly, just start to loosen that. And you can just lift out, and there we have our old plug. We're going to take our new plug. We're just very carefully press it in here. We're going to feed it down. Just gently twist until you feel it start to catch. And then just twist it as much as you can by hand. Then we can torque it down to 23 Newton meters. And again, make sure you don't use any kind of spark plug grease or anything. BMW suggests not to do that. Okay, there we go. Then you can take your ignition coil, put it back, make sure you press it all the way down. So now it's time to put the ignition coil back in. You want to be very mindful of this groove right here because it's where this piece right here needs to sit. So take your ignition coil, just slide it there, and make sure you push it down all the way. Then once you've done that, you can take this connection right here, plug it in, and snap the lever down. Then repeat that same process for the rest of them. Now what we can do is reassemble our engine bay in the reverse order that we removed everything. So I just noticed that one of my kids put a soccer ball sticker on me and I had no idea it was there. I'm just gonna leave it, kinda like it. And that is how quick and easy it is to change your spark plugs from home on your F30 N55. Once again, huge thanks to FCP Euro for helping sponsor this video, and for links to all the products we showed in today's video, be sure to see the links in the description. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at kiesmotorsports.com for all of your BMW retrofit, performance, and aesthetic needs. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching and have a great day.